I'm Jim Meehan here with Snow Peak. It's springtime in Washington, and I'm here to demonstrate the Yuzu Shandy, which was one of our most popular drinks at the restaurant when we opened. Yuzu Shandy takes a Japanese play on a classic shandy gaff. We're fortunate at the restaurant to be able to use a Japanese sparkling lemonade, yuzu, and then we've got the Takibi pilsner if someone wants to have this drink with alcohol. If someone's not drinking, then we have Athletics Golden Dawn Ale. So you get the same experience with the same character with and without alcohol, which is something that's really important for us at the restaurant. This drink's super simple. I'm going to rim half the glass with a mixture of salt and togarashi, which is just a Japanese 7-spice. We're gonna fill our tumbler with ice cubes. And it's just a really simple mix of half lemonade and half beer. So I'm gonna pour each of them in to mix it up. And there you have it. This is the camp version of our Yuzu Shandy at Takibi. Cheers.